Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this exercise in SolidWorks and we'll be following this sketch. Let's start. First we'll have to open a new part and here we'll open a sketch in the front plane and now select circle and let's make here two circles. And then with smart dimension we'll give here some dimension. This one will have 80 millimeters in diameter and this one will have 50. And now we'll select line and we'll make here these three lines. Select these two and make them equal. And now let's dimension this. Here will be 14 millimeters. And now let's select from up here point and we'll make a point here. And now with smart dimension we'll select this line and this point, and here the dimension will be 55. This point is just for reference. And now we'll use trim entities command to cut this part of the circle. Nice, now this is fully defined. Go to features and use extruded boss base. And here at blind we'll select mid plane. And the thickness will be 80 millimeters. Press OK. Let's make this plane white. And now we'll select right plane and we'll open a sketch in the right plane. Normal tool, and here we'll select circle again and we'll make two more circles, and now we'll have to define them with smart dimension. This one will have 50 millimeters in diameter and this one will have 30. From this center point to this edge will be 40 millimeters. And now from this center point to this center point, here the dimension will be 100. Now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded boss base. Here we'll select mid plane and the thickness will be 50 millimeters. Press OK. And now we'll have to open another sketch in the right plane. Open a sketch, normal tool. And here we'll have to make the next sketch. We'll select 3-point arc. And we'll make first here an arc, just like this, and then we'll make another one here, like this. And now with smart dimension we'll have to dimension this. So this one will have the radius 200 millimeters. Select this point and select here make tangent. This one will have the radius 50 millimeters. And from this point to this edge here will be 80 millimeters. And now we'll have to select line and to close this sketch like this, and then we'll select convert entities command, we'll convert this circle, and then we'll make another 3-point arc which will be from this circle to this point, just like this. Then select this 3-point arc in this circle and select here make tangent. Do the same here, and now select this 3-point arc in this circle and select here also make tangent. Okay, make tangent in these two. And now with smart dimension we'll give a radius to this 3-point arc and will be 35 millimeters. Now we'll have to cut this part of the circle. So select trim entities command and cut that. Press here OK. Now we'll have to extrude this sketch. we'll go to features, we'll use extruded boss base, and here we'll select also mid plane, and the thickness will be 20 millimeters. Press OK. Nice, it's looking good. Now I'll have to use fillet. We'll select fillet command. The radius will be 50 millimeters, and we'll select this edge and this edge. Press OK. And now we'll select fillet again, and we'll select, we'll make the radius 4 millimeters, and we'll select this edge with this edge, and this one with this one, and press OK. Now this part is done, this exercise is done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you like it, you can leave a like, you can subscribe to see more. And we'll have to use fillet, and for this edge here I'll just so that also 4 millimeters the radius. Press OK, and now it's done. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.